Imagine this. You wake up one morning and discover that your money has been working harder for you while you were fast asleep. No, it's not a dream, my friends. It's the magnificent power of compounding at play. While you were sipping your morning coffee or binge-watching your favorite show, your wealth was growing silently, inching you closer to the life you've always dreamed of. Intrigued? You should be. Today we're diving into the mystical world of compounding, and I promise you won't want to miss a second of it. Before we embark on this financial journey, let's make sure we're all on the same page. Compounding is like a magician's trick for your money. It's the art of turning small investments into substantial wealth over time. It's the force that can take your hard-earned dollars and transform them into a financial empire. Are you excited? Because you should be. Before we dive into the details, let's start by defining what compounding means in the context of investing. Compounding is the process of earning returns on your initial investment and reinvesting those returns to generate even more returns over time. It's like a snowball effect that can lead to exponential growth. To help us understand this concept better, let's meet our protagonist, Jake. Jake is a young professional who's just starting his investment journey. Jake decides to invest $1,000 in a high-quality stock. Now, let's see how this investment grows over time. In the first month, Jake's investment generates a 10% return, which adds $100 to his initial investment. But here's where the magic of compounding comes into play. Instead of spending that $100, Jake decides to reinvest it back into the same stock. So now, his investment has grown to $1,100. In the second month, the stock performs well again, and Jake earns another 10% return. This time, however, the return is calculated based on his increased investment of $1,100. This second month return adds $110 to Jake's investment, bringing his total to $1,210. But we're not done yet. Jake continues this cycle, reinvesting his returns each month. As time goes on, his investment continues to grow, thanks to the power of compounding. The more months that pass, the larger the returns become, as each month's return is calculated based on an increased investment amount. This compounding effect accelerates Jake's wealth accumulation. Imagine the possibilities if Jake continues this disciplined approach to investing for 15 years. Even with modest returns of 10%, the compounding effect can turn his initial investment into a substantial sum. That's the magic of compounding. By reinvesting your returns, you allow your money to work harder for you, leading to exponential growth over time. So, remember, when it comes to investing, patience and consistency are key. By harnessing the power of compounding, you can unlock the potential for long-term wealth creation, the most important part of the video. So, don't miss out on these key components of compounding: the rate of compounding and time in compounding. But don't worry, we'll make sure it's easy to understand, even if you're new to investing. First, we will understand the rate of compounding and after that time in compounding. So let's dive in. Imagine you have a magical piggy bank that doubles your money every month. Yes, you heard it right, it doubles. Let's meet our friend Sam, who decides to put $100 into this magical piggy bank. At the end of the first month, something incredible happens. The magical piggy bank doubles Sam's money. So now, Sam has $200. But the magic doesn't stop there. In the second month, the piggy bank doubles Sam's money again. So now, Sam has $400. Can you guess what happens in the third month? That's right. The piggy bank works its magic and doubles Sam's money once more. So now, Sam has $800. Wow, that's quite impressive, isn't it? This doubling of money every month is what we call the rate of compounding. It's like a snowball rolling down a hill, getting bigger and bigger with each turn. The higher the rate of compounding, the faster your money grows. In Sam's case, the rate of compounding was 100% because his money doubled every month. Now, let's think about this. If Sam had started with $1,000 instead of $100, and the piggy bank still doubled his money every month, how much would he have at the end of the third month? Take a moment to think about it. The answer is $8,000. That's the power of compounding at work. The higher the rate of compounding and the longer you stay invested, the more your money can grow. Of course, in the real world, achieving a 100% return every month is not realistic. However, with proper knowledge and strategies, it is very possible to earn average returns of 10–15% on your investments. That's where our YouTube channel comes in. We provide valuable insights, tips, and strategies to help you achieve a 10 to 15% of returns on your investment easily. So, make sure to subscribe to our channel for in-depth videos on investing. By carefully selecting investments with higher rates of compounding, such as stocks of companies with strong growth potential, you increase your chances of earning higher returns and accelerating your wealth accumulation. So, understanding the rate of compounding is crucial. It's like having a superpower that can help you build wealth and achieve your financial goals. Now we have explored the rate of compounding and how it can help grow your investments. Now let's talk about another important component: time. But don't worry, we'll make it simple to understand. So let's jump right in. Imagine you have two friends, Emma and Max. Emma decides to start investing $100 every month, starting at the age of 20, while Max decides to start investing the same amount but 10 years later, at the age of 30. Let's fast forward 20 years. Emma and Max are now 40 years old. Emma's investments have grown significantly due to the combination of consistent monthly investments and the compounding effect of time. Can you guess how much she has made? Take a moment to make your guess. The answer is, Emma's investments have grown to a whopping $98,553. Now let's turn our attention to Max. Although he started investing later, he still managed to accumulate a respectable amount. Can you guess how much Max has made after 20 years? Make your guess now. Max's investments have grown to $49,123. Max, on the other hand, wishes he had started investing earlier. He realizes that time is a crucial factor in the compounding process. This simple story illustrates the power of time in compounding. Starting early and staying invested for a longer period can make a significant difference in the growth of your investments. If you're in childhood or even an adult, remember that time is on your side. The sooner you start investing, the more time you have for your investments to grow through compounding. But don't worry if you haven't started yet. It's never too late to begin. Just remember that the earlier you start, the more you can benefit from the power of time in compounding. So, whether you're a fifth grader saving your pocket money or an adult planning for your future, understanding the importance of time in compounding is essential. If you have any questions or want to share your thoughts, leave a comment below. We love hearing from our viewers. We hope this video has shed light on the incredible power of compounding in the stock market. We'd love to hear your thoughts, questions, and experiences in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more investing insights and join our community of like-minded individuals. If you want to know how to get rich fast, click on the right video. Or if you want to know 6 money lessons that change your life, click on the left video.